That's yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah. Testing, test. I gotta see the test. Let's see. Test. Test. Yo, yo, yo. Yo, yo, yo. Yo, yo, yo. All right, we good. All right, so first we're going back. Let's just take a quick review what we did last one for our album. So basically what we did, we found patterns in the market of a 1 minute time frame will work. First, we try to follow the trend, of course. I will break it down, but this is just a live stream, so we going over certain things, products that are win. So this is our win. So we let's see, 5, 6, 7, 7 and 4. But one win is kind of different because this is a 2.51. This is a 1.51. So basically, it's a higher advantage of winning. So it's a better percentage. Sometimes you have to. I'm gonna factor in the stuff like leverage. I just can't think of the words right now. Leverage. Sometimes when you enter, they make you enter from a different area. Spread. I might factor that in. So you get less spread on the 1 minute because the 1 minute is probably crucial to the spread. So like if you enter from here, we got to see how much we're entering from. But now let's go. So basically we now are in the agent session. We are following the trend, and the trend is your friend. So you see how this Elliott wave, you can really hold on and let it take off higher RR, as you see right here. So basically, the stuff we went over. Got the W, because it has to close here. Got the W because it has to close here. The waves, usually the waves work. Boom, boom, boom. Two tap. It two tapped it, and then take off. It take off. You could have entered. Even if you entered, you probably would have got the highest here. But if it didn't break from here, probably would have exit. But it does. It does go higher because you can see the wave. Waves go higher. Sometimes studying makes you notice certain stuff in the market that happens more consistently than other stuff. So, because it's 50-50 buy or sell, you got to figure out where the trend go. And if you could just figure out patterns, that's really a strategy right there. And now we just getting simple things to qualify it. So, you see it's an uptrend, Elliott wave, got your 50, and you ride it. So now this is what we doing. Now we just studying the market. It's around 8 o'clock. Let's see what movie we catch at 8. We just studying the market. It doesn't matter if everyone said we can't trade from here. We're gonna see why can't we, or can we even at a better advantage? Hold on. How do I put? Can you pause this? Hold on. Let me unmute the chat. Chat. All right. So I would have stayed with the 101 because guaranteed, like I said, I say 101 because guaranteed, I don't know if the market is going to reverse. And I keep telling y'all, if it reverse, it's always good to 82%, like 80% of the time, it's going to hit that 101 before it reverse on a 1 minute time frame. So you just got to analyze the chart. Like, yes, I would have did the 3-to-1. But as you can see, look how hard the market dropped. Even if we go on, like, let's just go on a real time frame, y'all time of 15. It's uptrend. Need to do a little retracement to me. But it could have hit there. And see, it maybe still hit there, but you never want to be greedy in the market. So as you can see, all these red joints. And as you can see, we're making a wave. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1. What did I say? After that second touch, that's a 50% mark, as you can see. So guarantee you want to see what this does. And we're going to write a note if this is a W or L because we have to put this in our strategy.
So do you not want to see me?
Not right now. I'm studying.
What's up, about?
I'm studying right now. Fuck. So, all right.
Yeah.
So, Fib.
So now?
50%. Later. Fib 50%. Fib 50%. Fib 50%. I'm about to put my phone on do not disturb. This should just be calling. I don't even want to talk. Want to see me and do what? Nothing. As you can see, what I told you, floor, boom, boom, boom. If it hit 50, I would like it to pass that. So let's see. Boom, it hit out 50. What did we say in our notes? Guarantee it hits here. Depends on what you want to do. I probably would take because it's still a 101. If you want to take that 101, just take the 101. So we got to be realistic. We can't, if you want to jump out, and we can't call it a 2-to-2. So we're going to call this a 101. Like I said, 80% of the time. What did I say? So we're going to call this that 101. So 50%. Step. Let's see. I can't spell guarantee. I don't know how to spell guarantee. Guaranteed. Guaranteed. We're going to put guaranteed. Guaranteed receipt. We want to put plus 80%. 8% win rate test. So what is this wait for? What is this for? So it's called the Okay, so Eliana impulsive wave. Elliott impulsive wave. Okay. So we're gonna delete it. We're gonna edit. Make a floor. Make a floor. Let's see. So we're gonna say the wave. Let's see. Elliott wave impulse. And wave has to touch the floor twice. Oh my gosh, all right, touch the floor twice. And oh my gosh, floor twice. You have to touch the floor twice. So Elliott has to touch it once. Once it passed 50% fib. Once it passed a 50% trade, most likely 80% of the time it will. Of the time. Yeah. Guaranteed. All right, it's not even hard to spell. Guaranteed. Once it passed 50%. Once it passed 50%. Once it passed 50% fib, most likely 80% of the time. Most likely 80% of the time, guaranteed. Most likely 80%. Once it passed 50% of it, most likely 80% of the time. 80% of the time. It will hit a one of them. And this, we're going to call it a W. We can write a tip in here. Most how much goes for how much time it goes. So boom, this is it. We took that as well. So boom. That's kind of another one right here, as you can see. So what is it? We start here. Oh no, that's so the wave starts. Oh, let's just delete it. Remove. So we're gonna start here. Four, 5, and this is a 50. So 50. I only see this on 1 minute though. I don't see it on anything else. So boom, 50. If it comes past here, so it did hit our 101. So it hits. All right, let's see. We gotta write notes. What's it called? IW test. We put IW test right here. IW test. IW test. W only 101 RR Wolverine. So all right, it's around 11 o'clock. So we just wanna, it's playing around right now. It's really ranging, so we were kind of waited out. I feel like you could take super advantage of times like this if the market is low, like, but it depends on like the number of the spread. So like, look at the spread. That's not bad. 3 points of gold. Depends on how the spread is. It really does depend on how the spread is. Like this is cool. But how much for? We're only catching like about 6 points of gold. That's pretty good. We don't need to catch that much. But 3. Yeah, it got to be like 0.25 just in case. But we're going to go over the video spreads. Like, I probably won't even enter, but you probably can. Nope, you can't. You probably would have lost. This is something I probably would have answered. I probably would have held to like right here. Let's see. Note this note. This has, we want price to come here. If you want to enter from here. It never went. We're still trying to find something. What time is it? It's around 1. Now price is now going downwards. We look at the 15-minute. As you can see, price is dropping. So we're trying, let's wait till 3. Yeah. We probably wouldn't trade around this time, so I'll probably get off right now. Like, I'm not gonna, like, let's be honest, we're not even gonna trade around this time. I was gonna test everything, but it's like it'll be too it'd be too much on the brain because it's like I'll probably trade in the morning. I'll try to trade in the evening, but I wouldn't even trade at 1 o'clock a.m. Like, what the hell I'm doing up? Maybe I am, but let's just test the evening on the time. You don't want to test too much things at once. And I'm testing the times, and you got to take notes. I'm just writing notes. Writing notes as you go. Writing notes as you go. Let's see. All right, so hold up, wait a minute, hold up. So we just gonna push it to 5. Or realness. Let's just push this to 5. And or realness. Okay. Not even 5, just like 7. We could do around 6:30. So 6:30 is here. So 6:30 here. I ain't gonna lie, this look clean already. You see, boom, 1, 2 touch. Didn't work. So 1 touch here, it worked, and it worked hard. 1, 2, 3, touch, never work. Touch, never work. I'm telling you, sometimes it just don't work. And you have to realize that. And sometimes you just have to realize that. As you can see, it's not working. I don't believe in a sell right now. This can be like a strong as this can be a tip. But if I see it repetitively, I'll write a tip for it. But I'm not gonna write the tip now off of guessing. Like when the EMA is very low, but it's still like an uptrend, as you can see. Like this is like the lower lows. I wouldn't bet on, like if I bet on it, I'll bet like a longer R to R before reversing. Like I would have entered here and probably exit somewhere around here. But we ain't really had no entry point. No entry point. No entry point. Boom, boom. I don't trust this, to be honest. I don't trust it. I trust a sell before a buy right now. Like, yeah, I trust a sell. So, like, right here, let's just see. You would answer for a sell, right? We're going to call it a loss if it's a loss. So, it is a loss. I don't like this loss, though. I really don't. I'm just forcing it. But we're going to call that an L. It's a bad loss, though. This is a bad loss. What I tell myself next time from here, probably be patient. But it still did go down. So now push replay. This is our loss. Let's just write it down. Okay, this would have been like my take profit. I would have been greedy. So we do a wave. Let's see how the wave works. One touch. It's not. I don't really see no touches here. And it's not strong enough. Probably wouldn't really recommend this. Low key, I'll probably just wait. I don't really like how this is looking. Wait like 15 minutes. Boom, you come back. Now it's showing us it wants to go up, I think. Oh, 15, 5. Maybe it wants to go up, maybe it wants to go down. Boom, boom. Went up too quick. Probably gonna enter that. Would you enter this? Maybe not. And all honesty, would I enter this? Let's just see. I probably wouldn't. I don't like how this look. I don't like how it looked. I didn't like how it looked. So we not gonna count it as a W. I didn't like how it looked. But it does, I tell you, it does work. It does work wonders. It does work wonders. Oh my gosh, look, it just happened again. Oh my gosh. This keep happening. Happened again. Boom, 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 boom. Hit 50. It tapped it, but okay. Let's see. Let's get our wave going. One touch, two touch. No, you want to start off with the touch. Drag, one touch. We have to see where it goes. Comes back up. Don't let it come back up. It does come back up. 3. Never comes back down, so the wave is kind of impulsive. As you can see, this is probably just a crazy uptrend. It's not even a crazy uptrend day. That's how I'm telling you, this can take over, because I'm thinking it's a crazy uptrend. The day not even fucking started on this 1 minute. It's really telling me it's going down. Eventually it's gonna go down. I'm thinking it's a crazy uptrend. This was crazier, to be honest. And I'm just catching rods. Three, can't enter. That's an entry with a loss. One tap. We gotta wait. We don't see no taps. Low key, you can't enter this. I'll count this one. It has to go back up, though. It has to go back up. If it doesn't go back up, that's not. You see? So L. Probably could take this one off the. Let's see. It took off from right here. Maybe you'll want it coming down a little more. Maybe not. We're gonna take that one. We're just gonna take it. And low key, we might ride it. Gonna ride it to at least right here. We're gonna close out. What is this doing? This is putting us on an advantage. So if it lose, it lose. But if we win, it's like 3 wins. So yeah. But we're gonna finish till I don't know what day we on. This is Friday. This is the last day. I'll probably go back in a previous day, like previous days, or different type of market conditions, and I'll probably analyze and study which conditions is best, and I'll just go crazy. And I'm gonna just tell you, I was just breaking down in the video. So boom, go down. I probably have got out. I'll probably get out of break even though. I'm gonna be all honest. All honesty, I probably get out break even. Okay, boom. 3-1. Oh my gosh. Oh my fucking gosh. This shit is crazy. What was this? 3.29, I think. I think it was. I don't know. 3.59. Oh my gosh. So look at this. Look at this. So we got about 5 L's. 5, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12. And then look, we're adding. Look where we're adding. Look where we're adding. You can say the I off of L is probably like a 1.2, and everything is a 1.1. In all honesty, like if you want to do, like I'm trying to be real with y'all. I ain't gonna fake kick it. You might lose more than you win with this because of spread. So this might be 1.2, 1.2. It can't be all 1.2s. Just I'll probably calculate it to all 1.2s for y'all. Just as a rough estimate and leave W's at 1.1, but I'm leaving the more riskier W's. I'm putting it up. Here's what you can do. They all probably 1.2s. In all honesty, they're all probably 1.2. So this would be counterfeit as 6. This would be, so let's just say 6. This would have been counterfeit as 6 losses, 5, 9, 10, 11. 11, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So you'd have been 3. This is like a 3-to-1 still, even with that 1.2. Even with that 1.2 with spread. Like, come on, baby. Come on. This is too easy. It's too easy, baby. So we're gonna keep going though. We're gonna keep testing. We're gonna keep testing. We're gonna keep testing. So boom. I like how that looked. Yeah, we didn't like that. See how this is looking. We can enter. We would enter. We would enter. Boom. Oh my gosh. Oh, this is crazy. This is crazy. Oh, sweet meterly duel. Sweet meterly duel. This is crazy. This is so crazy. Then, what time was it? 11. Let's just say we wait till 12. Boom. We pushed out one candle. All right, we pushed out one candle. 5 minutes. So, what do we see here? Boom, boom. We would have lost. We would have definitely lost here. Let's look. 1, 2. I forgot you don't start off like that. Do this. 1 touch. Let it come back down. That's what something you would want to see. For it to be a guarantee, but it never happens. Never happens, so you delete it. It kind of does happen though. But look, 1 kind of does. Boom, boom, boom. One, 2. Never had a second floor touch. And even so, look, even if this is a downtrend, it's not telling me it wants to go that down. At least right here. So boom, 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 boom. Lost off this. I didn't take it though. Then we're gonna start taking. We're gonna start. We can. It's holding a little nice. So boom. Since it pushes, let's see how the 5-minute looks off that. Not saying it can't go back up, but if it do go back up, it's going back up hard. So we go like this. That's a W. So boom, boom. This is just highlighted. We could just highlight this. I don't really want to take notes on this because I took a note on previous tests of a big drop and then another drop right after it on a 5-minute time frame. And I tested off a challenge and it won't really working like that. It just won't work. And I actually, to be honest, I actually failed the challenge. And it was actually good risk. I think I risked 1% every time, every trade. And I actually lost like this off of. So what I did was it was on 5-minute though. Like I test stuff on 1 hour. 1 hour was pretty cool. I don't really like 5-minute. I don't. People do, but I just don't. So look, drop. I used to go a drop, do a wish. I don't know. It might work more on 1 minute. Come up here because the 1 minute does move different. Come here, and then it drops. Come here again. It drops right here. That's a TP. Now, I would want to see. I would want it to go back up because I'm going up hard. So boom, this looks nice right here. It looks real nice. I would have answered. I ain't gonna lie, I would have answered. We would have lost, but I didn't answer. Let's be realistic. We would have lost though. It's round 2. You could push for a little bit. Come back. See where the market is at. It's more of a ranging. It's just ranging very hard right now, as you can see. I don't know if it wants to come back right here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I don't want it. I don't want this. So basically, I would want it to come back down. Just come back down. Yes. I like how that looks. Somewhere around here, you can. Don't know where. You don't know where yet. Don't know where. If it ever, don't let it push back up. Don't let it push back up. Don't let it push back up. And it doesn't push back up. It's not pushing back up. Now for the next, I want to do one for a downtrend though. Show y'all different segments. I want to see different segments. So we're gonna play this out though. Didn't happen. Oh man, I wrote, okay. So I wrote 1, 3, I wrote from here. What the hell? I don't even know where I started. I think I started from here. We're gonna say start from here. As you can see though, the last fucking 4 days, like look, where's the shit you ain't see now? Last 4 days, look, uptrend, uptrend, uptrend. As you can see, uptrend, uptrend. So it's been straight up since we started this, y'all. So up since here. So what we want to do, up, 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 up. We want to get a downtrend, so we'll test a downtrend out. Like we could test like this out, see how it moves. Or I don't know. I just want to test a different. I test a downtrend, and I test a different. I just test random areas after that, just to see how it moves. Because you kind of know it's a downtrend. You don't really know what the market is giving us. Okay. So 1 minute. Let's just say we skip 5. Boom. So what do we see? 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Can do that if you want to. That's if price comes here and does reject. So price comes here. If it rejects, we want to see some type of rejection. Even this is good. Let's see if this is at least 2 points. Is that even good enough? Is that good enough? Is that even 2 points? Oh, I don't even think that's a point. No, that's too small. Let's see. Yeah, not even a full point. So probably not. I probably wouldn't do this. I entered some small jumps. Like, let's see. But that might be too small. Like, I entered some small jumps. Let me see. That's probably the smallest I ever entered, right? Yes. Yeah. Yeah, you know. I probably wouldn't enter that. But it won. Hey, it did win. Boom, boom, it did work. So we could write IW test small. Let's see, W small points. So did not take. And then we're gonna see the RR first. It's not a really good RR, like at least for here. I probably would have tested RR. So don't really need the RR. I like how this is look. Soon as I get home. So it's about 4 o'clock. Probably wouldn't take this, but it's an L. You could write an L because we would have took that. Let's write an L. That's just a quick take. That's like 50% take. Oh, and then the day ended. So yeah, they ended. This is so how far we got. So this is the last. We're gonna say, let's see, 1, 2, 3. So this is 3 days. Everything we took in 3 days. So we do 3 days. So we do 3 days. 3 days from 4/9/25 through 4. What is this? 11 days. 11/25. So what is it? It'll be 6. So 6. So let's see. 1, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we do 10. So okay. The one count arrow, 6 of them is counted as 1.2. I'm gonna just count it for as 1.2. Okay, we countify this as 1.2. I'm gonna do all the math for y'all. So in a matter of 3 days, for taking good setups or setups you can see, maybe I will take all the setups. Maybe we are looking. I'm writing notes to see the better setups to take off the 0.5. I am doing this. I'm analyzing. That's why I'm live. I didn't drop the video yet. The video will come. I'm not even trying to rush it. I was gonna try to put it out tomorrow. If I can't put it out tomorrow, I can't. I'll throw up another video tomorrow. I'll probably talk about some motivational shit, but this I actually want to take my time with this shit, man. I really want to take my time with this shit because I could calculate all the numbers. I can't do it. I feel like I'm forcing some shit, and I ain't really got that much fans, anyways. But if so, this is what I can do. We won, as you can see, the numbers do look kind of things. So we calculated all the numbers for 3 days. We lost 6 times. We won 10 regular straight. We won 1 with a 3.5. That means when we won 3x our money instead of the 1. When we lose, we cutting it as a 1.2. As a 1.2, as in it's not the same as a W. So if I say if I win $100, But if I lose, I'll lose 120. So that's how it is. Because it is a 1 minute with spread in it. So they'll take something. So I'm trying to be convenient. It might be less than 1.2, it might be more. I don't know. So I'm doing a 1.2 and then 1.5 and then 2.2. So I'm gonna calculate all of that, and then you should get look. So you should get let me just type it into my calculator. You'll probably get 7. You'll probably get, so this would equal 7.2. So how much time? So how would I get that? Calculator, let's see. 6 times 6, 7.2. So that's 10, 3.5. So 10 plus 3.59 plus 1.5 plus 2.52, and that equals 17. So this is equal to 17.61. And what is this telling me? Basically, it is equivalent to a 78%. So you're kind of 78% right in the market using numbers and statistics off this strategy. But this is just for them last 3 days. So in the last 3 days, we would have won 14 trades, but really have a 7.61 average of money. So let's just say this is $702 we lost. We lost $702, but we gained 1,700. What did I say? 7,720. So we again 1,707. I said 720. Oh yeah, 720. So 720. So we gained 1,761. So we can say this is 1,761. Take away 700. So we'd have gained about $900. No, we'd have gained about a band in that 3 days. So we'd have gained $1,000 in that 3 days. Yes. So you gotta get it right. So what I will do, I will delete. I'm not gonna delete this. I just don't really recommend. I'm gonna do this. I don't know what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna draw a white. I'm gonna come back to this. I just don't know when. Hopefully, I remember. I really might just delete it because I don't feel like I'm gonna come back. Like, because I want us to do this right here. This shit look nasty, anyways. Yeah, I don't want to go back too far. I think I was doing that 1 minute shit here too. I was just testing it. Most wins. The 5, 7, 4. But here's what I can do. This is the range, and I like how this is look. So this is what I will do. I will delete all of this. I will come back tomorrow and maybe do it. Maybe today. Maybe I feel dedicated today and do this. This is like a range of market. Like, let's look up, down. It drops this thing. It drops every day though. To be honest, drop. But ranging comes up, drop, up. It's not really ranging to be honest. But we're gonna delete this. We can still test this area out for purposes. I think this is the 5 minute shit I tested out first. Did I ever delete this? This was like a month ago. But this is like the 5 minute one I tested out. But Oh, I feel so good, bro. Because me testing stuff out makes you better in the market. It's a no other numbers thing, man. I'm telling you, it's all numbers because it's either buy or sell, and then you can figure out ways to multiply it to which one you really want to pick. It's like heads or tails, but say if you could slow down time and see tails about to land, it's like that's like an extra boost. Or maybe I'm trying to think of like advantages, like crazy advantages you can do. Trading is like, all right, okay, I got a good example. So trading is like, so say if you got two cars racing, they both like the same thing, but this car is having problems. Like, all right, it got a flat tire, and then a new car got like a new tire. So but say it's like the same 50-50. You think like people think it's the same 50-50, but say that car got a flat tire and you got the new engine in. So you got a 70 and he really got a 30. But the trading is making it 50. It's saying you can buy a 50-50, but if it's 70-30, you'll feel me? You can really keep betting on this car like it's a 50, like because people thinking it's 50-50, but it's really 70-30. Just keep betting on that car. Boom, boom, boom. You'll make money regardless. That's how and that's where fucking sports betting coming in. I could break this whole shit down. People don't really analyze it. Like I'm not talking, we talking about stocks. We talking about markets. Let's go. I said stocks, commodities. Commodities. Because you can even do fundamentals. I know a lot of like fundamentals. I think fundamentals investing, to be honest, in all honesty. After a long years of trading, I think fundamentals is yeah. But that's the truth. I'll probably do this later. I think I think we did do some of this though on that one. But we're never gonna trip. We got the stats. We got the stats. We got the stats. So what we do, we might end the live, but I'ma still probably test after I even end the live. Um, I don't want to start from here because we don't see the drop. I don't. This is kind of like ranging. This is up, drop. I like this. I like. All right, come up, drop. Hey, just push back up. Let's see. Let's see. We can do this. We can. I don't really like how it drops. I don't. It drops. It just drops hard one day, but it kind of pushes back up. But we'll do it. We'll do it. We'll do it. So I'm gonna do a time limit to where I'm gonna do it to. And then I'm gonna start doing random days. Like I'm gonna just pick a random day and then test the strategy. And then I'm gonna test the strategy with information and then without it. Really, I shouldn't even test it without it because I'll go just take any setup. So I don't know. I don't remember how this looks. So I guess we gonna start from that's only 2 days. Mm, we can start from here to be honest. From here. We can start from here to be honest. We probably don't remember 1 day, 2 day, 3 days. We can push this back to like right here. Push that back to right here. And we could close out from here to here. So we'll press the rewind button and see what the market did on April of the 2nd. April the 2nd, my boy. See what the market did for us. You feel me? It smells good in here. So we got a whole new stat. We got the Elliott wave one takeoff one strategy. We gotta find new strategies when to enter because there's a lot of places we can't enter. We enter when it's above. You want to enter, you want to be greedy and enter any time. You want to enter only when it's above the EMAs. We gotta know. We have to know. Is that a 50? I might just leave it at 50. If it's 50, all right, that was 200. So I'll just change this one. I'll change it to I don't know. I don't want to change it to green because it's green really. I'll change it. I don't know what to change it to. But it's mixed with green and red, orange. You do orange. That sound like it makes. I don't know. But okay, we just gonna do a couple. So 15 minutes. Let's go to 1. See how it's looking. It looks like a ranging. We go to 1. See how it's looking. You can see cells so now. But so boom. You really want to enter here. You might lose on a while. I probably would have. This is called. It's not a. That's an L. This is counted out as an L. Why is that? Because it really never hit take profit. Let's see. Text. Let's go. I don't even know what I call this. 1 minute. 1 minute. 50% fit trades. Date. You could write shit fib. So you can write W L 1.2 1.2. Can't write nothing for that. Really, let's write it in the parentheses 1.2. But look, our wave is popping back. Forgot. You always start from the bottom. would have caught that right there. Oh, that would have been a miss. You can still catch it, depending. Let's see. Boom. This is to take off. I don't think I'll put the stop loss that low though. So long. Right here. Probably stop loss somewhere around here. I'm scared of this one. But this is testing. Okay. It didn't lose yet. Wow. Wowzers. So 1.84. So it didn't lose because we thought it was about to hit TP. We was gonna count this as a loss. Didn't really hit it. Didn't hit our stop loss. As you can see, never hit our stop loss, never hit our TP. Didn't hit our TP. That's why sometimes you even gotta 5-1. 5-1 real quick. Boom, never came back up. Boom, boom, came back up. Boom, boom, came up. One. Let me see. One touch, two touch. Boom, boom, boom. It's 9 o'clock. You do a fit. You know what's crazy? Never even hit stop loss either. So even if we entered, it did, but it didn't. So I don't like them. Never really hit stop loss, but that would kind of find as a W. I don't like that W though. So boom, 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 boom. You gotta see 2 touches. This is don't the first touch don't ever quantify as a touch. You don't know this as a touch. Never really happened. Boom, boom, boom. Let's see how much points is this worth. Is it even worth it? I could give you a world, baby girl. That's only 1 point. That shit sucks. We'll probably push it up. I don't know. It would I could give you the world, baby girl. You just gotta be worth it. Yeah, yeah. You ain't gonna be perfect. Oh, oh, oh. Got the wave and check. Nah, we not gonna both break even. The wave did work. It did work. There's a wave. W. W. Hit. 1. RR. But didn't hit our 2 point. Didn't hit our 2.39. Didn't hit our 2.39. TP. Oh, he. This might work. So right now, as you can see, we on a crazy losing streak. But that's what testing is for. We're gonna see why we're on a losing streak and the setups we take. That'd have been a crazy win. 1, 2, boom, boom. So we're 2 and 5. 2 and 5 for now. What's this? All right, what I answered for the sell, short, somewhere around here. Close out. TP 2.3. So that would have been another L. Would have been another L. So what is this day specifically telling me? That is nasty work. Like, look at this, it's choppy. So we kind of, this day is kind of telling me, I'm not too mad off this day. Like, I was getting mad until I actually zoomed out. And the times we was winning, the market was still very bullish. Well, not bullish, but the time we was losing, it won't. So yeah, I'm not too mad. I'm not too mad. I'm not too mad. Let's see. Let me see something. I'm trying to see something. Hold up. We about to end the live. I'm gonna do the rest of the 5 o'clock session until 5. And then I'm actually go back and look because I lost fucking 7 times. I don't like that. I don't like that. Wait, where are we at in time? It's about 2 o'clock. So let's get back to it. Let's get back. Let's see if this could push back under. We want to see if it push back under. We will enter. Enter this one. Enter somewhere right here just to get a better TP. And we can go for 2 to 1. 2.801. Boom. It's a W. So 2.81. Okay. 2. Don't really. I don't like that. I don't like that. 2.8. I don't like that. I don't like that. I don't like that. I don't. I don't like that. I don't like that. Hey, I don't like that. Soon as I get home. Let me see how this shit looking. So we can see sales now. Oh, damn, that hurt. It's still majority. Let's see. Let's see. Let's go back. You won off that one. You lost. You won off that one. You won off that one. You lost 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 off that one. Okay, we get an answer. Never hit. From 4 January, March, April 4 to 2025. stop right here. Stop. Point. We're gonna put stopping point. Pick up /13 2025 study and finish the rest of this. So that was my study session for today, man. I hope y'all liked it. I hope y'all did. That was a little study session for today. I wrote a lot of notes. I'm gonna finish it. I'm gonna finish a strong video of a 1 minute time frame. Even if it doesn't work, I'll still test it and show you how it works. So basically, like what I have noticed, I did my calculations for these last 4 days. It worked very well off a very uptrend. And when I did it for this day, it was 7. We took 7 L's. But we took good W's. But we probably would have went break even for the day, to be honest, because it is actually working. It does work majority of the time on the evening. That's what I have noticed. It works majority of the time of the evening, but we might end this. I know I'm gonna go live again tomorrow. I'm gonna drop a video too. I'm gonna just talk about like we're not gonna talk about statistics and numbers. I want to really like the statistics and numbers. I wanna go crazy with that. Like I'm really trying to study this shit and drop like quality videos now. But like I'll probably just drop like a motivational video or something like that. Because I wanted to drop this statistic video, but I'm gonna need some more stats for this. I need way more stats. I can't just test 3 days, 10 days. I need to test about 50. I got to test different market areas. I got to test. You have to understand market. You have to understand the market. I'm trying to test when should you enter, when the 50% work, when does it work most, when does it work least. I'm trying to at least break it down. So, but if I do break it down in that way, it should take me a week. And after that week, I'm done. Like I'm done. I should get the stats. I'm gonna tell you if it's profitable. I'm gonna tell you if it's not. I'm gonna do 1 hour ones. I'm gonna do 5 minute ones. I'm gonna do one of past challenges. I passed challenge, but I'm doing this because I passed the challenge so quick with this strategy. I was doing this off bullshit. So one time I said, I just didn't want to trade 1 minute. Like I traded 1 minute before I lost a strategy, and then I traded with it 1 minute again, and I won with it. They say 1 minute is very inconsistent, but I really want to test them. It looked like it's very consistent off a super high trendy trend, which is happening right now. But if not, we gonna see though, because it won't trending, and it was 7 L's. It was 7 L's, but we gotta see if it might work in the evening though. But I'm gonna stop talking because wait, hold up. I don't think my mic work. But if my mic don't work, we out. And yeah, I'm gonna go live tomorrow. I'll probably drop a video too, and I drop reaction channel. I'm just testing shit right now, but appreciate it.